Now, what is characteristics? The integral part of a common logarithm is called the characteristic and the non-negative it is non-negative term, non-negative decimal part is called the mantissa. Means the integral part of a common logarithm is called the characteristics and mantissa is non-negative decimal part. Now, determination of characteristic. We use two formula for characteristic. First is to find characteristics of the logarithm of a number greater than 1, to find the characteristic of a number greater than 1, we use the formula number of digit before decimal point, number of digit before decimal point minus 1. It is used when we have to find the characteristics of a number greater than 1, and then we have to find of a number lying between 0 and 1. Then we use the formula lying between 0 and 1. Then we use the formula characteristic equal minus number of 0 after decimal point plus 1. Now there are some numbers whose characteristics we have to find. Suppose we have to find the characteristic of given number. We have to find the characteristics of given number. First number is .1, second is, third is, fourth is, we see that all these numbers are greater than 1. Then we use the formula characteristic is given by the formula number of digit before decimal point minus 1, means number of digit before decimal point minus 1. Suppose if we have to find the characteristics of first 3.1, characteristics of this number is given by C equals, C is characteristic, number of digit before decimal point. How many number of digit before decimal point? There are only 3 digit. There are only 3 digit, 1, 2, 3 digit. Then number of digit before decimal point is 3 minus 1, characteristics is 2. Second, find the characteristic of 5000. Characteristic is given by C equal number of digit before decimal point. How many numbers of digit before decimal point? Decimal point is given in the end of this number, means then number of digit before decimal point is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 minus 1, it is 3. Characteristic of this number 5000 is 3. Third one is 2.303. Number of digit before decimal point. How many numbers of digit before decimal point? There is only one number. 0.1 से पहले केवल एक ही नंबर है. देन 1 ओनली वन नंबर, माइनस फॉर्मूले में भी 1 है, 1 minus 1 इस इज 0. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दिस नंबर इज 0. एंड फोर्थ इज characteristics is given by number of digit before decimal point, because this number is greater than 1. Number of digit before decimal point minus 1. Number of digit before decimal point is 3 digit, 1, 2, 3. Then number of digit before decimal point is 3 minus 1. The characteristics of this number is 2. The number first is 0.000305. Second 0.0123. Third 0.534. Fourth 0.0503. Now we have to find the number of the characteristics of the given number, and first number is since this number is greater than, lying between 0 and 1, then characteristics is given by the formula minus, we count the number of zero after decimal point, प्लस 1 नंबर ऑफ जीरो आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट। तो मान लीजिए हमें इस नंबर का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स निकालना है, तो माइनस नंबर ऑफ जीरो आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट। जीरो के बाद कितने डेसिमल नंबर डेसिमल के बाद कितने जीरो हैं, तो डेसिमल के बाद 1 2 3 ये जीरो भी है, लेकिन ये काउंट नहीं किया जाएगा क्योंकि उससे पहले एक और नेचुरल नंबर पहले आ गया है, तो ये जीरो काउंट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वही जीरो काउंट होंगे उन जीरो को काउंट नहीं करेंगे जिनके पहले जीरो के अलावा कोई दूसरा नेचुरल नंबर है, उनको नहीं काउंट करेंगे। देन देयर आर ओनली 3 zeros, only 3 zeros means number of zero after decimal point is 3 plus 1 and characteristic is -4. Now second, we have to find the characteristics minus number of zero after decimal point. How many numbers of zero after decimal point? There is only 1 zero, means number of zero after decimal point is only 1 plus 1, then characteristic is -2. Characteristic number of zero after decimal point. This number is lying between 0 and 1. Then we apply second formula, minus number of zero after decimal point. There is no zero after decimal point. Then number of zero is 0 plus 1. We have characteristic -1. And fourth, 0.0503 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स माइनस नंबर ऑफ जीरो आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट। डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद कितने जीरो हैं, एक ही जीरो है, इस जीरो को काउंट नहीं किया जाएगा क्योंकि इससे पहले कोई नेचुरल नंबर है, तो इसे काउंट नहीं किया जाएगा। हमारे पास पॉइंट के बाद केवल एक ही जीरो है। देन नंबर ऑफ जीरो आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट इज 1 plus 1. Then characteristics of this number is -2 and it is answer.